So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea because there are a lot of business ideas. So, which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. Is basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. See, your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business, to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I am also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook, reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now, this is the India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market, forecasting, and then find out the best, profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go to market strategy, and definitely we're going to launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're going to keep continuing with your branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step, book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.